it's learning and all that. You don't have to go learn stuff. You just have to tell it to go do stuff, right? So think about the shift right there. Like, to run a business, you would need to know finance, you would need to know marketing, right? How to make a website, how to run ads. You don't need to know any of that anymore. You just set up your AI agent and say, hey, can you set up Google Ads for my photographer business, my video business, my plumbing company, my HVAC, my pool company? And it goes and does it perfectly based on thousands of documents that's proven to work. So that's what I'm excited for. So we just stopped by Art's place, got the hat out of him, right? Look at that black on black lead fuel. Right, this video is not sponsored by Lead Fuel, by the way. If you guys over there want to sponsor the video, make sure to reach out to me. Love to work out something with y'all. But we're gonna go over, look at a construction project that I just got done. A to Z Auto in Royce City. Mike and Tim, shout out to them, man. Hardworking guys, some of the hardest working guys I've ever met. I've met a lot of people are lazy, but these guys, they're literally under the cars working in their business, right? They built up a name, they built up a brand, and they're in a financial position to actually buy their own buildings. So I developed the buildings, and they were like, hey, we're tired of renting, and now they're like, we want to buy these buildings. They were buying one building, and they were like, you know what, we'll buy both of them. So they did it, you know. And so we're about to go see them, hear a little bit about their backgrounds, and take a look at some other projects we're doing. We're going to be buying another lot on that street, so we're going to be putting up some other metal buildings. So if you guys need space for your service business, we got a couple of 4,000 up to 4,000 square feet coming. If you need less, we also got that too. But definitely reach out to us.